Well, in today's world, everyone wants beautiful furniture, and we have had to come up with methods to mass produce these items to satisfy this great demand. The equipment provided must produce high quality, beautiful furniture, just like the machines produced by GOLDSUN Machinery. We are very proud of our high level of expertise in developing, producing, and distributing numerically controlled automated furniture making machines. GOLDSUN Machinery is located in Dalingshan, which is renowned as a furniture producing region. This strategic geographic location, merely 1 hour away from the nearest port, provides a great competitive advantage in terms of shipping and transportation. With the support of our innovative and experienced R&D team, production and customer service teams, we are confident in offering a comprehensive range of solutions for the production of dining tables and chairs made from solid wood. Considering the components of these tables and chairs, we provide a full line of multifunctional, highly efficient, and automated solutions such as drilling, tapping, double cutting, mortising, tenoning, profiling, sanding, and so forth. We also produce and deliver a complete set of equipment for the manufacture of solid wood dining tables and chairs. For over 10 years, we have been awarded 7 nationally recognized patents. This complete set of equipment supports a production capacity of 1,000 chairs or tables every 8 hours. It helps to reduce labor costs by half and at the same time double the production capacity when compared to the traditional production mode. Our automated production equipment runs efficiently, safely, and is very stable. The footprint of this equipment is a great space saver, and maintenance and adjustment is very user-friendly. Our products are organized into 5 series and more than 20 varieties, including CNC mortising machines, automatic drilling machines, multifunctional drilling, mortising, tenoning machines, and so forth. Our best sellers are safe and efficient products, covering the CNC double-end tenoners, CNC mortisers, automatic chamfering, drilling, tapping machines, and so on. The CNC double-end tenoning machine operates with great precision and is very smooth. It features an elegant fashion design, and operation is very user-friendly. This equipment comes with an automatic feeder, which allows you to easily set and regulate the tenon's shape, width, thickness, and other parameters. Tenoning is done simultaneously at both ends, and materials are discharged automatically. Debugging can be easily accomplished without any technical drawings. This equipment features ease of use, thus making training very simple. It takes just 1 minute to complete 8 to 10 workpieces. With this equipment, you can make approximately 3,500 workpieces in 8 hours. Seen here is our CNC mortising machine. It features several benefits over traditional mortisers, such as ease of operation, fast debugging, customized settings, high efficiency, stable performance, plus the small form factor is a great space saver and labor costs are far less. This product is properly sized and divided into 2 sections, one on the left side and the other on the right side. A plurality of cutter shafts is used to handle multiple workpieces on each side. They can work continuously either from the left or from the right. A single machine has a maximum speed of 16 pieces per minute. It fulfills our requirement for processing more than 7,000 workpieces in 8 hours. Here is the automatic chamfering, drilling, and tapping machine. It completes double cutting, drilling, and tapping procedures in a single run. The vibration platform features an automatic feeding function. The operator is only required to discharge materials manually. This efficient machine has a production capacity of 5 to 6 pieces per minute. This means it can handle more than 2,000 workpieces in 8 hours. As a result, you save time and reduce labor costs immensely in production. CZ Machinery has developed a very experienced professional customer service team. All CZ Machinery products are delivered with a complimentary 1-year warranty and lifelong technical support. Our team offers a full range of after-sales services, including debugging, training, technical guidance, machinery repair, and so forth.